Hello student, today we are going to learn an important topics, factor of safety under machine design. The ratio of ultimate stress to working stress is called factor of safety. Ultimate stress is the maximum stress a material can withstand before it failure. What is working stress? Working stress actually which type of load are we use at normal working condition. Working stress can refer to the stress that can prevent a structure from failure. The stress that is capable of preventing failure is called working stress or allowable stress or design stress. Now, factor of safety is equal to maximum stress by working or design stress. Factor of safety is a design parameter that ensures a structure or a machine component can withstand more load that it can expect to experience during normal use. For example, if a beam can handle a maximum load of 1000 Newton and is expected to carry 500 Newton, then the factor of safety is 2. When a lift, একটা লিফটের গায়ে লেখা আছে যে ম্যাক্সিমাম 20% allowed. Actually, for the purpose of safety, we use 20% maximum use. Actually, more than 20% the lift can handle. Okay, now what is the selection criteria for factor of safety? Number 1, risk of failure. Risk of failure, higher SOS factor of safety for critical system where failure can cause serious harmful, that is bridges, airplane, etc. Number 2, material strength. Material strength, reliable material like steel, aluminum need lower factor of safety, while unpredictable material like wood, concrete require higher factor of safety for uncertainty. Number 3, type of load. Type of load, for constant load allow for lower factor of safety. Fluctuating or dynamic load require higher factor of safety. Number 4, environmental condition. Environmental conditions means use higher factor of safety for harass environment like extreme heat, corrosion or humidity. Number 5, accuracy of data. Accuracy of data, if design data and calculation are less clear and accurate, then a higher factor of safety is needed. Number 6, type of structure. Type of structure, for critical or life dependent structure like medical device demand higher factor of safety. Number 7, design life. Design life is how long something is expected to last. কতদিন লাইফটা প্রোডাক্টটা থাকবে, লাস্ট করবে। To make it last longer, engineer use a higher factor of safety. A higher factor of safety means extra strength. Number 8, manufacturing variation. If in practical case parts vary during production, use a higher factor of safety to ensure safety. Number 9, inspection and maintenance. Poor maintenance or difficult inspection require a higher factor of safety. Number 10, cost versus safety. Cost versus safety. Balancing safety and cost is important. Designing something too strong can waste money, but making it too poor can lead to failure. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.